this message that you're doing? He said to them, do you see the sun? They said yes. He said, bring me a piece of it and I'll stop. Which means I will never stop doing this, right? Because I'm doing this for the sake of the Creator. And some people say to you, Prophet Muhammad could have got this from another source, right? Let's say the other source is a supernatural power. Let's say he saw Satan, he saw something, right? Would Satan command you to worship God alone? Would Satan tell you go to the people and tell them don't worship idols? Would Satan say to you, give charity, be good to their neighbors? Curse Satan, because that's what the Quran says. Would it make any sense, right? And would it make sense to say he took it from other people? Because he was not literate. He couldn't read or write. So he could not go copy information from the Greeks, from the Latins, from the Hindus. And he was not a traveler, someone who goes to travel all the time and come back from different cultures, right? So he could not have copied it from someone else. Could not have been lying. And absolutely he could not have been delusional. I'll give you an example. Prophet Muhammad's son died. And a solar eclipse happened. The people said the solar eclipse happened because his son died. Because he's a messenger of God. They said, look, it's a miracle. His son died, the solar eclipse happened. If you're delusional, the first thing you're going to say is what? Of course, this happened because of me. I'm the messenger of God, right? Prophet Muhammad said, this is a sign of God. It does not happen for the death of life of anyone. If you see it, praise the Creator. That shows that someone is not delusional. Because if you're delusional, whatever sign out there, you make up signs to convince yourself with your delusion, right? Also, Prophet Muhammad led armies, battles, right? Fought with different people, married women, lived with his community. Can you be delusional and fight a war and be a military leader and protect your people? Would that make any sense?
No.
Right. So if he could not be any of these things, then what is the only option that he could be?
That's telling the truth.
He's a messenger of God, right? So that's what I'm saying to you. Look, these things are innate. God has given us what we call the fitrah. Fitrah is the innate disposition that every human being has, right? When you hear this information, you know, it makes sense. It's very simple. It's common sense.